All right, welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are cracking open something pretty sophisticated we've seen in the consumer wellness space.
Mm.
We're digging into a nerve pain supplement that just exploded after, get this, 48 million Google searches for the topic this year alone.
And our goal here really is to take that investigation and turn it into a defense mechanism for you.
Okay.
We're going to dissect this one product, its claims, its marketing, and build a checklist so you can spot these scams before they even get your credit card number.
And the hook is, I mean, it's just so audacious. This thing doesn't just promise to help. It promises nerve regeneration in 48 hours.
Wow.
That exact claim is on 14 nearly identical websites. And they all popped up in just the last 6 months.
It's a classic play. They're building this manufactured credibility. They know they need an origin story, so they credit the formula to Dr. McCady.
Dr. McCady.
Supposedly, he discovered it doing research in Africa. What's wild is the investigation searched everything: medical databases, university archives, licensing boards. The doctor doesn't exist. He's a complete fabrication.
Wait, so you're telling me this huge marketing operation targeting people in real pain is all anchored to a fictional character?
It is. And they use the same kind of verbal trickery with regulators. The company, nerverestores.com, says it's in an FDA-registered facility.
Which sounds official.
It sounds official, but it's a loophole. It just means the building is on an FDA list, which is required. It says absolutely nothing about the product inside.
So not approved, not validated.
Not at all.
Okay, so if the credentials are all fake, what about the actual formula? I see things like passion flower, marshmallow root.
And those are real herbs, sure. They have traditional uses, maybe some mild anti-inflammatory benefits, but that's not the point.
Right.
The company claims this specific formulation is backed by clinical trials. The investigation found those studies are, well, they're made up. They don't exist in any peer-reviewed journal anywhere.
The science is just a prop.
It's a meticulously crafted prop.
So you have a fake doctor, fake science. I'm guessing you also need fake customers to sell it. How do they handle the social proof?
Oh, it's completely automated. It's copy-paste. The exact same 5-star reviews, same words, same photos, just plastered across all 14 of their sites.
No way.
Yeah. The real customers, like Sharon from Houston or Stefan from Chicago, reverse image searches show they're just stock photos.
And that all feeds right into the price, doesn't it? They push that 6-bottle package, the one for $49 a bottle, really hard.
Exactly. And when you look at the cost of the actual herbs inside, the product is, I mean, it's massively overpriced.
What are we talking?
You could probably get the raw ingredients for about $15, maybe less. The markup is what pays for all the fake ads and reviews.
And what about their 60-day money-back guarantee? That sounds safe.
It sounds safe, but it's another trap. It's designed to fail. To get a refund, you have to return unopened bottles.
Oh.
So if you actually, take the product every day like they tell you to, it becomes impossible to qualify. You've already opened the bottles.
The guarantee is void the second you use it. And then the final red flag is what happens after they have your money.
This is the real kicker. They vanish.
Vanish.
Complaint forums, Reddit threads, they all say the same thing. The company goes ghost, support emails bounce, the phone number disconnects. They avoid all accountability.
So what we're seeing is a really complex shell game. It's built to look legitimate with fake doctors, fake reviews, legal traps, all to sell something with no proven safety or efficacy.
Right, and it changes how you have to look at these things. Spotting the scam isn't about you trying to be a chemist and analyzing ingredients.
It's more about the structure.
Exactly. It's about looking at the marketing, the claims of authority, and especially the support system. If the sellers disappear when you need them, you can be sure your money will too.
So if we know these companies can now fake their science and their testimonials almost perfectly, the only real defense is vetting that infrastructure. And considering so many people are turning to these things out of desperation, what's the one most reliable verification step you can take right now to spot the vanishing act before you commit your money? Keep questioning everything.